Yeah, just video all the roofs that are torn up.
Look at this on poplar tree. Well, you should just drive your blinkers on. You hear that wind blowing?
Gutter blew off. Gotta document this, you know. 22.
We got siding coming off.
We're just... I have no idea. Listen to the wind.
We're having our whole...
But you have to
sycamore
watch.
tree way back there. Look between the blue house.
I'm trying to video that.
Brad,
Yeah,
when
I
you get
got it.
back there, I'm sure you'll be cutting some wood. It's all ruined, man.
Go whiplash. I didn't have many ears, but I got some.
Dude, that's huge.
Where's it at? Ripped out at? There it is.
2, 3 or something. We're just getting out of the road right now. We might.
Boy, it's a mess out here.
That's all we're doing today. Anyway. Getting stuff out of the road.
Watch that Enterprise sign right there in Middletown fall over and hit a car.
Oh, really?
Absolutely a mess today.
We've only got 17 stalls, so. I'm just going to help them drag wood. I'm just doing this for a minute.
I just saw that fall a second ago.
I did too.
Rotten ash tree. There's what we cleared.
His whole, look at his lean-to garage.
Look at this house.
We need to go get that, help that guy out.
Which guy? Yeah, look it down.
There's a tree down. I'm saying. $12,000 off that new truck.
It'll be $12,000 off this car. Don't video it.
It's all over the yard, the car.
Oh, stripped down to the paper right there. You still, oh, I was zoomed way in and you started moving. Guess what? We're not doing it either. That's contractor.